Good morning to one and all. My name is Vinshith. I am studying in 5th standard. Today, I would like to demonstrate a new science exhibition topic. So, today I am taking the topic from the agriculture. That is the drip irrigation system. So, this is the drip irrigation system, the working model which I made. So, now today I will explain how the drip irrigation system, how the farmers will use this drip irrigation system. First of all, the main use of drip irrigation system is to save the water. So, the main definition of the drip irrigation system is when we go to villages. In the villages, we'll find some farms, grasslands, etc. So, in that, mainly farmers will use this irrigation system. So, first I'll tell what is the advantages of the drip irrigation system. The first main source of this drip irrigation system is to save the water. Second one is when we pump the water directly to the harvest will get the damage. So, we want drop by drop water. So, for that, the drip irrigation system will use. Next one is when we directly pump the water to the plants like this, plants will damage. So that's why the drop by drop water will directly goes to the roots and made a new plant, and the plant will have the good condition. So now I'll explain the disadvantages of the drip irrigation system. So, only one disadvantage is there in this drip irrigation system. That is, this drip irrigation system is used by these plastic pipes. This plastic. So, this plastics. So, and polythene. So, it is also made by the chemicals. So, it will get damaged for our plants. This one disadvantage is from drip irrigation system. So, now I'll explain how this drip irrigation system works. So, this is the well, which helps the tank to go the water. Here the water are there in the well. So, the water will carry it from the tank. So here I fixed a motor in that, and which helps that pipe to absorb the water and go to the water tank. This water tank is also attached with a tube called as drip tubes. So this drip tubes has somewhat holes above the plants. So it helps to absorb the drop by drop water. So now this is the central motor. So now I'll on the motor. So you will see how the water will carry into this and it will come. So now the water get into the, see here, tank. These are the well. In this the water is going on. See here. This water is carrying to this pipe. So here I kept some holes here. So it will the holes will mix into this. So here the drops are not coming because, but here no end cap is there because the water has to storage into the well because it is the only dye material. So here the pipe against the well. So it will only recycle like this. And for this is a paper plant. For it will be damaged. So I didn't keep the hole for it. So like this it will come. So I love the machine. So now you saw no how this get into the water. So like this, the drip irrigation system is used by the farmers. Thank you one and all for giving me such a wonderful opportunity. Thank you one and all.